So when you begin your job, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take these outlet covers off. You're going to want to, these are two different types. So these are for cables and these are for your electric, you know, plug-in stuff, obviously. So these are pretty easy to take off. I'm sure you guys probably already know how to do this. But you're going to want to, one of the things you want to do is if you're working in a room, group them all together, put them in a place where they're all in one place, and if you want to clean them off, it's a good time to clean them off when you have them off. And yeah, just store them to the side. And for these cables, a lot of times what I do is I'll take these off. These are longer screws, so sometimes it's nice to use a drill on these, because these are longer than your typical plate covers. So it takes a little more turning here. I suppose we can just clip this out while I'm turning here. Just take it off. I don't know, because it's a long process here. Keep going. Keep turning. If you had a electric screwdriver, it goes super fast. And so anyway, so then you just put them up like this, and this one's not even connected, but you just kind of stick them in sideways, or you could just take this off and put it somewhere safe. But usually this will be connected to the cable back here, and you know, you won't be able to really pull it out. And what I'll do is I'll just stick it in sideways here. Usually there's enough room to fit it into the hole there to just kind of keep it in there, just like right there, and then you can just cut around it right here with your brush. So let's see. Another thing you're gonna find, tell me where to go.
Go.
All right, another thing you're gonna find in your house are these vent covers, and taking these off. These are a little longer as well. You know, I definitely recommend using more of a drill, cordless drill, to get these off a little faster than a screwdriver. These are a little longer as well. There are two options. You could tape this off, you know, on four sides, but then sometimes they get stuck to the wall. So it's nice to have a nice smooth finish around your edge. You can get behind all here with your paintbrush. Then when you put it back on, it's going to be a nice smooth finish with the vent. So yeah.